Tropic level, tropic structure and ecological pyramid. Tropic level. The word tropic derived from the Greek tropy, referring to food or nourishment. Definition: the tropic level of an organism is the position it occupies in a food chain. The tropic level of an organism is the number of steps it is from the start of the chain. Tropic level are the feeding position of all organisms in a specific ecosystem. The tropic level is the position that an organism occupies in a food chain, what it eats and what it eats. In complex natural communities, organisms whose food is obtained from plants by the same number of steps are said to belong to the same tropic level. Major tropic level. There are 5 main tropic level in a food chain, each of which differs in its nutritional relationship with the primary energy source. The primary energy source in any ecosystem is the sun, although there are exceptions in deep sea ecosystem. Level 1. The level is composed of producer plant algae cyanobacteria which make their own food through photosynthesis from sunlight or through chemosynthesis and convert either solar or chemical energy into biomass. Level 2. The level are consisted of herbivores and are known as primary consumer that consume or eat the primary producer and get their energy from those organisms. Level 3. The level 3 is consisted of carnivores which eat herbivores and are known as secondary consumer. The Level 4. This level consists of other carnivorous and omnivorous which eat secondary consumer and also known as tertiary consumer. Level 5. Apex predator or quaternary consumer are that eat tertiary consumer. Apex predator by definition have no predator and are at the top of their food chain. Tropic structure. The word tropic means to feed. The tropic structure in a community is the feeding relationship between species. It determines or shows us how energy is passed from organism to organism, like from plant to herbivorous to carnivorous within a set area and time. It can be measured either in terms of standing crop per unit area or energy fixed per unit area per unit time. At successive tropic level, it can be shown graphically by various ecological pyramid in which producer level form the base and successive tropic level which make up the apex. It can be shown graphically by various ecological pyramids in which the producer level form the base and successive trophic level which make up the apex. Ecological pyramid or Eltonian pyramid. In a graphic representation of the relationship between organism at various trophic level in a food chain. It is the graphical ecological pyramid or ecological pyramids or Eltonian pyramid. It is a graphical representation of the relationship between organism at various trophic level in a food chain. It is a graphical representation of the relationship between different organisms in an ecosystem. It is a graphical representation of the trophic structure and function of an ecosystem. They are graphical representation of the trophic structure of ecosystem. It is basically a pyramid depiction of the number of organism, biomass and productivity in each trophic level in an ecosystem. It refers to graphical representation to show the number of organism, biomass and productivity at each trophic level. In 19 27. The concept of ecological pyramid was first proposed by English ecologist named Charles Elton. Thus, they are also known as Eltonian pyramid. Ecological pyramid begin with producer at the bottom like plant, and they proceed to various topic level like herbivorous consume plant, carnivorous prey on herbivorous, and so on. The highest level is at top of the food chain. Type of ecological pyramid. There are three type of pyramid. They are as follow: pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, and pyramid of energy or productivity. Pyramid of number, it is the graphical representation of number of individual per unit of various topic level. It depicts the relationship in term of number of producer herbivorous and carnivorous at their successive topic level. There is a decrease in number of individual from the lower to highest topic level. Large number of producers tend to form the base, whereas lower number of top predator or carnivorous occupies the tip. The shape of pyramid of number varies from ecosystem to ecosystem. This type of pyramid can have three different forms depending on number of organism. Upright pyramid of number, partly upright pyramid of number, and inverted pyramid of number. Upright pyramid of number. In this pyramid, the number of individual is decreased from lower level to higher topic level. This type of pyramid can be seen in grassland ecosystem and pond ecosystem. The grasses occupy the lowest topic level base because of their abundance. The next higher topic level is primary consumer herbivore. Example, grasshopper. The individual number of grasshopper is less than that of grass. The next energy level is primary carnivore. Example, rat. এখানে প্রাইমারি প্রডিউসার নিচে, প্রাইমারি প্রডিউসারে গ্রাস, আর এখানে হচ্ছে ফাইটোপ্লাঙ্কটন। এরপরে আছে প্রাইমারি কনজিউমার গ্রাসহপার। এরপরে গ্রাসহপার আর সমুদ্রের ক্ষেত্রে সেটা জু প্লাঙ্কটন। এরপরে থার্ডে আছে ফ্রগ, এটা হলো হ্যারিং। সেকেন্ডারি কনজিউমার, টার্সিয়ারি কনজিউমার স্নেক, ম্যাকেরেল, টুনা, কোয়াটারনারি কনজিউমার হল্ক। তো এইভাবে ত্রিভুজ আকৃতি। The number of rat are less than grasshopper because they feed on grasshopper. The next higher topic level is secondary carnivore. Example, snake. They feed on rat. The next higher topic level is the top carnivore. Example, hawk. With each higher topic level, the number of individual decrease. Top carnivore, producer, herbivore, primary carnivore, secondary carnivore, top carnivore. Partially upright pyramid of number. It is seen in the forest or tree ecosystem where the number of producers are less in number and support a greater number of herbivore, and which in turn support a fewer number of carnivore. Inverted pyramid of number. In this pyramid, the number of individual is increased from lower level to higher topic level. This type of ecological pyramid is seen in parasite food chain, where one primary producer support numerous parasite which support more hyperparasitism. নিচে প্রডিউসার গাছ, তারপরে পাখি হচ্ছে হার্বিভোরাস। পাখির গায়ের মধ্যে আছে প্যারাসাইট, প্যারাসাইটের মধ্যে থাকে হাইপার প্যারাসাইট। পিরামিড অফ বায়োমাস. The biomass pyramid show the amount of biomass, living or organic matter present in an organism present per unit area at each topic level. It is drawn with producer at the base and top carnivore at the tip. In this pyramid, there is a gradual decrease in the biomass from the producer to higher trophic level. The biomass is usually determined by collecting all organisms occupying each trophic level separately and then dried and weighted, measuring their dry weight. The overcome This overcome the size difference problem because all kind of organism at the trophic level are weighted. Biomass is measured in gram per meter square. The biomass represents the amount of energy available in the form of organic matter of the organism.